What's up, everybody? This is Ain't No Lazy Gold coming at you with a little bit of a rant. I just played my speed set Druid for the first time since the stat squish, and I notice I'm moving at 205%. 205% ain't bad at all, but I spent a whole lot of gold and I was going 245.8% movement speed with a critical strike of 59.8%, not 41.17%. Now, as you can see, I spent a lot of money on some of these damn items, and I'm not real happy about the fact that I lost almost 40% movement speed. Actually, 40%. Exactly 40% movement speed. Anyways, anybody else having this problem, hit me up and let me know. This ain't no lazy gold saying adios.